Hey everybody, as some of you guys have seen that little short video I put together, I had this car in where I did the 24-hour group build. It's on Facebook. This was the 18th annual one, and so I ended up doing this kit. I lost the box, let's do it away. But this was a Sanyo Gaio, or whatever, how you say it. But they're usually hard to find or a little expensive. I think I was looking for quite a while and ended up finding a pretty decent priced one. This one I had some decal trouble. It was supposed to be red and blue down the side. That cracked like hell, except for the clear. So what I did was I took a knife and cut where it was good, and then took tape and took it off. Same with the hood. The hood was like that, but I didn't like the way it actually fit into them. So I just took a knife and cut around that, because that didn't crack, and pulled that off. And so I kind of like it like this a little bit better, but it's not historical correct. But this was one of the low part count kits that I had. The wheel does actually still turn. And I'm going to do a little touch up, because after the glue dried, it seemed like it took some of that paint, which is kind of weird. Took some of that paint in there and bled it all over, but I'm going to take some black and touch that up. But as it is here is how it was when the 24 hours was done. It's a nice little kit. Something you don't see very often, but there is seat belts in there that's just painted on the seat. So I used the Tamiya white. That way it was nice and dry really quick. This was the Tamiya semi-gloss or matte, I can't remember. That dried really quick. I hurried up, cleaned everything off out of the kit, got it ready to paint. Painted it really quick, went and ate something, came back, and then it was like almost a free-for-all of gluing and hand painting everything. But it didn't take long to do. The bottom is really generic, and I did a half-assed job painting it. But you know, when you're trying to get it done in 24 hours, I think next year I am going to try and do I would say a more piece count kit than this, instead of just going out easy. But this was a lot of fun. I was able to get it done well before the time. I think I kind of let everything sit and dry a lot more than normal. So, but hope you liked it. So if you ever want to join the 24-hour group build, it's usually in January. You can find them on Facebook. Great group of guys. It's a lot of fun, and it's a good challenge. It kind of gets you to change the way you do models. If you do it in an unorganized manner, it makes you do it step by step and kind of plan it out ahead. So it's a good training for that. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys then. Have a good one. Bye.